Making money in the market is impossible. Let me rephrase that. Making money in the market for you right now is impossible. But for me, it has become extremely normal with the help of PU Prime. Today, I'm going to be walking you through PU Prime and their flagship trading product, the CopyTrader. Whether you are a beginner looking to earn while you learn, or whether you are an experienced trader looking to make a side hustle, this product has something for everyone. Before we get into it, this is not financial advice. This is purely for educational purposes only. Let's jump in, guys. So you can see here that we are on PU Prime's homepage, and you can also see that it is a very professional, a very smart looking website. They have over 300,000 active clients, and that is globally. You can see here that it is 200 plus countries serviced. They are also a regulated broker, which means that they're an extremely trustworthy broker for you to use. Here it says that they have over 1,000 plus trading products, but the one that we're going to focus on today is their copy trading system. This is where there will be experienced traders putting out their analysis and allowing you to copy the trades that they put on themselves. As we scrolled further down the page, you can see here the diverse range of products you're actually allowed to trade. You have metals, commodities, shares, Forex, indices. You have such a range that you can get involved in. I personally trade Forex pairs, so I like to look for low spreads for my trading, and PU Prime definitely delivers that. You can see here that Euro USD is currently 0.7 of a pip in terms of spreads. So that means that I get the best price when I'm putting on a trade. Further down the page, you can see all the different ways that you can make payments with PU Prime. Now you have bank transfer, you have Skrill, you have Neteller, you have MasterCard, Visa and PayPal. As someone who has used other brokers before and they ask for only crypto payments or something like that, it's really refreshing for me to be able to use my MasterCard to make payments in and out of PU Prime. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to jump over to the phone app, and I'm going to walk you through how we're going to set up the copy trading system. As you can see, guys, we are now in the PU Prime app. So I'm going to walk you through how this app works, what you need to look for, and how you can get involved with the copy trading system. At the top of the homepage, you can see the $499. This is my demo account because I'm purely showing you how this app works. As you scroll down, you can see that this is where the experienced traders are. So you can see that the most copied, that is pretty self-explanatory. That is the most copied traders where everyone likes to get involved. Below it, you have the highest annual return traders, and below that, you have the low risk and stable return. A little bit into this video, I'm going to show you one of the traders that I like to follow and how I go about copying them. If we head over to Discover, you can see that the community here, that has all the different kind of traders that you can look to copy. Up here you have the Academy, you have 24/7 news, the economic calendar. This is where you can see what's going on with other countries that may affect the trades. You have other experienced traders putting their analysis up. You have newsletters. There is so much to look at here, but we're going to focus on one in particular. For me, when I am looking to copy a trader, I like to click on this little drop down here, and I like to look for the highest win rate, because I like to know that when I'm putting on a trade, I want it to win more than not. For my psychology, I find it a lot better that if I'm going to take a trade, I know it's going to win. So as you can see down here, you have all the different people taking the trades. You have gold price up here with 100% win rate. You know, you've got Someth below with 100% win rate. So as you can see, there's a lot of 100% win rates. So to show you one of them that I am currently following, it is Shen Wei Hao here, and I hope I have said that correctly. And as you can see, over the past few months, he has been in profit every month, 7.76% here, 22% here, 24.98% here, and 33.16% here. So as you can see, he is making profits month in, month out. You can also see here that the risk is 1, so it is a low risk investment for me, and the profit sharing is 30%, which means I keep 70, he takes 30, and I'm okay with that. As we scroll down, you can see that the maximum daily drawdown is 11.94%, and that's going to be important in a minute when I just show you the parameters of when you're doing your copy trading. To be clear, I do not mind the 11.94% drawdown because he is the trader, and as you can see, his monthly profits are always in profit. So I don't really mind because I'm just looking at the monthly profit that I'm going to be making. So as we scroll down a little bit further, you can see his trade stats. Now, he's taking a total of 34 trades, and you can see that he has a 100% win rate. So that is not a fluke. It's very difficult to take 34 trades and win every single one of them. In terms of what he's trading, he is only trading gold. He's also been active since the middle of January, so he's had a few months here now, and he has had an absolute proven track record. So if you're looking to get involved from this video, go find him, get started, and start making money instantly. So when you found someone that you like, just like Shen Wei Hao here for me, I go ahead and I click copy. And this is where you'll select the parameters that you want to make your trades. You can see here that the copy mode has a drop down, and your options are equivalent, use margin, fixed lots, and fixed multiples. Personally, I like to use the margin option because it means that my account will be risking a reasonable set for the account balance that I have. Below you have investment, and this is where you can select how much you're willing to risk with this experienced trader. The investment amount is completely up to you. For this example, we're just going to go ahead and use $50. And below, this is where the important part is, the risk management. Now, you can see here that it says 35%. That is currently 35% of the $50 that I'm going to put on. But when I'm putting in the $50, to be honest with you, I'm willing to risk it all, as that's how much I was prepared to put up. So I will slide that all the way up to 95%, which means that I'm willing to risk the full amount, well, $47.50, but the full amount of my investment. I'm not going to toggle the take profit. I'm just going to leave that on as I'd like to stay fully invested with this trader. If you do want to click the take profit, then you can obviously change how much you want to exit here. But that will be your time done with this particular trader. So I just have mine off. The lot roundup makes things just simple, and the copy open trades obviously means that you're ready to get involved straight away. So once all your settings are correct and how you like them, go ahead, click the submit at the bottom. You'll be linked up to this experienced trader, and you will start making profits with his profits. As you can see from everything I've shown you in this video, PU Prime has something for everyone. And if you're looking to earn a side income or to earn while you learn, then you need to get hooked up to their copy trading system ASAP. All the links that you need are in the description below. So if you want to continue following my journey with PU Prime, then hit the like, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can get alerted with my next video.